Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, we will learn about pagination. Laravel Paginator is integrated with the Query Builder and Eloquent ORM and includes database results out of the box. When we have thousands of rows in the database, then pagination will be needed. Laravel makes it very simple. Here we will not use auth2, that is passport method. Let's comment all of these lines. Open the file kernel.php under http folder. Here we have two middlewares in API. Let's uncomment this auth basic middleware. Let's start terminal and PHP artisan serve. Go to the postman and let's click the send button, and here we have the message auth field because we are now using basic auth, and when we click the send button, here we get the result. Here it is showing all the records of the table. The controller is country under country folder. This is our country model. The index method is returning all the rows from the table. Let's make some changes here. Declare a variable country list and then country model. And simply paginate. And we will pass this variable here. Now let's check this in Postman, and here you can see the current page is 1 and we have the data. "15 records." And the last page is 16, the next page URL and the path, and the per page is 15 records, previous page 215, and the total is 240. Let's assign 10 here. And here you can see that it is now returning 10 records per page. And if you want 20 records per page, then change this to 20. And here you can see that we have now 20 records per page. And we have total 12 pages now. And the next page link is here. Select this, copy this, and we need to authorize using basic auth. Here is the result, the second page, and in second page we have the next page URL, that is the third page. And in third page we have the link of previous page and the next page. Laravel made this pagination very easy. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.